you scrolling through Instagram, wondering how people make money online while you're stuck just watching Reels? Well, what if I told you that with just ChatGPT and Canva, both free tools, you can start earning $50 a day without any investment? Sounds like a scam? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how it's done. First, pick a product people are already buying. Instagram quote templates, resume designs, or aesthetic planners. Go to Etsy.com and search Instagram templates. You'll see people selling them for $5 to $20 each. You don't need to design from scratch, you just need ideas. And that's where ChatGPT steps in. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 50 motivational quotes for Instagram in a friendly tone." Boom, you've got a whole collection ready. Now, instead of just copying and pasting, you're about to turn these into cash. Go to canva.com, search for Instagram post templates. Pick a clean, trendy one and insert your quotes. Customize the font and colors. Make a set of 30 posts. Save it as a PDF or zip file. That's your product. Create a seller account on Etsy or Gumroad. Upload your product, add a catchy title like 30 AI-powered motivational posts for Instagram, ready to use. Price it at $9.99. Now imagine selling just 5 of these a day. That's $50, even while you sleep. You don't need to be a designer, a writer, or a tech genius. Just a smart combo of free AI tools and a little effort. Want to learn more smart ways to use ChatGPT in your daily life and automate boring tasks? Check out this video right here, Genius Ways to Use ChatGPT for Daily Life Productivity. Link is on your screen now.